Hi folks, Russ here again, cleaning some Karndean today, and I wanted to take a bit of video just to show you the difference between Karndean that's been professionally cleaned, and this is how it looks kind of now. We haven't touched this area here, but as I move forward, you can see a difference between the area where I have cleaned and obviously where I haven't. So if your Amtico or Karndean has been down a number of years and you're struggling to clean it, nothing you do seems to work, then give us a call. We use specialist equipment to safely lift the dirt from the tile, and it gets into all the grooves, right up to the edges and the corners. And I think you'll agree that that looks remarkably better than it did. So that's before and that's after.